Every great structure begins with a foundation, not just of concrete, but of expertise. At the heart of every construction project stands the civil site engineer, the professional who turns design into reality. Let's explore the top 5 duties of a civil site engineer on site. 1. Site supervision and execution. The first duty is supervising and executing construction activities. A site engineer ensures that work is carried out according to approved drawings, specifications, and standards, maintaining accuracy and consistency throughout the process. 2. Quality control. Quality is non-negotiable. Engineers must check materials, monitor workmanship, and ensure all work meets the structural and safety requirements set by design codes. 3. Measurement and progress. Monitoring. Another key responsibility is measurement and progress tracking. They maintain daily records, calculate quantities, and report site progress to management, ensuring deadlines and budgets are met.
4. Coordination and communication. Construction is teamwork.
Site engineers coordinate between contractors, consultants, and the client, resolving on-site issues and ensuring smooth communication across all levels.
5. Safety and compliance. Safety is the cornerstone of site management.
Engineers must enforce safety protocols, conduct toolbox talks, and ensure that all activities comply with statutory and environmental regulations. In short, a civil site engineer transforms blueprints into buildings, ideas into infrastructure, and effort into excellence. For every aspiring engineer, your learning starts here on site.